The big data giant Palantir has been making waves in the stock market, but there's a twist. Cathie Wood, the renowned investor, is doubling down on her bets. Curious about the price target? Stay tuned, and we'll dive deep into the numbers. Alright, let's take a closer look at the news. Palantir, a name synonymous with big data analytics, has seen its stock price take a short pause after a significant rally earlier this year. As of Monday, the stock had a minor uptick of 0.2%. Now, while it's commendable that the shares have risen by 9.5% from their lows in August, they're still lagging by 24.5% from their annual highs. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite a slight dip of 0.13% in the pre-market session on Wednesday, the stock has largely been moving sideways since its rebound from last month's lows. A key observation here is the strong demand around the $13.60 mark, which has now solidified as a robust support level. Now, let's talk about August. After enjoying a substantial 29.4% surge in July, Palantir's stock took a hit, dropping by 24.5%. But guess who's undeterred by this? Cathie Wood of ARK Invest. She's not just holding on to her Palantir shares, she's accumulating more. In fact, this latest addition to her portfolio comes hot on the heels of a $12 million purchase she made in August. Yet, despite her bullish stance, Palantir's stock price is still trailing by 8% from the previous week's high of $16.35. However, technical indicators suggest that the bulls are far from done. Diving deeper into the technicals, even after its recent pullback, Palantir's stock is trading at a whopping 41.4% above its 200-day moving average. The price seems to be gathering momentum above the previous range highs of $11.60. As long as the bulls maintain their grip above the $13.60 support, the outlook for Palantir remains optimistic. If, however, the stock breaks below this support, we might see it retesting the $11.60 mark. But if the bulls charge ahead in the coming days, a retest of the $17 resistance is very much on the table, offering a potential upside of over 12% from the current levels. Now, for those of you keen on the upcoming trading session's surge signals for Palantir, here's the scoop. On the upside, we're looking at $15.60, $15.88, and $16.14. On the flip side, the downward signals are pegged at $15.06, $14.80, and $14.52. What does this mean? Well, these numbers are crucial price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could signify a potential trend. For instance, if the stock surpasses the $16.14 mark, it could be an indication of a bullish trend, while dropping below $14.52 might suggest a bearish move. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into Palantir's stock and its potential trajectory. If you found this analysis insightful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay updated on more stock insights. Just commented subscribed? Let us know, and we'll do our best to respond. Before you go, we've got a question for you. Do you think Cathie Wood's bullish stance on Palantir will pay off in the long run? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.